there everyone, welcome to BMAC Animation Learning Classes. In this video, we will again make some easy animation in Scratch. Probably it's going to be a flying parrot. Now look at the window very carefully. This is our Scratch window. On my right side, we'll go to Sprite pane. First we'll just delete the sprite. Because इस वीडियो में हमने एक flying parrot का animation create करना है, so we will choose a new sprite. Now come here. See, in animals, it is parrot A. We have chosen this parrot. Now just adjust its size. Clear? Up. We are just trying this parrot, so we need some appropriate background too. Here we go. आपको स्टेज एरिया पे डबल क्लिक करना है. Then on my left side, here comes backgrounds. We will import a background. We'll take nature. Actually, we have many choices, so आप अपनी choice के हिसाब से भी whatever you want, you can do that. Okay, let me take woods. We delete this. I'm clicking this sprite one. Now, go to control on my left side. When flag clicked, then we'll choose forever, because हमें इसमें parrot को continuously fly करते दिखाना. It's not just one time or two times, it's many of the times. So we'll choose forever. Then comes to looks. You'll choose switch to costume. Okay, then again control, wait 1 second, or we just reduce it to 0.5 seconds. Then we'll say for this, edit this and write, thanks for helping me to fly. Okay, now go to motion again, right, move 20 steps, then go to looks, switch to costume. We'll import another costume here, because इसमें हमें parrot को we need two more costume, because एक single sprite से move करते हुए नहीं दिखेगा. It's very common, because in last video when we made the walking boy, in that too we imported many of the costumes. So here we'll import another one. Here we go. Now see, parrot B is here. We got this. Go to scripts again. Adjust this. Click here, switch to costume, the second one. Click this, parrot B. Now we will duplicate this from wait. See this very carefully. Now here we will do one more thing, because see, our stage area is very limited. और हमें ये नहीं चाहिए कि अगर stage area आपका limited है और मतलब अगर ये end हो जाता तो sprite keeps moving. What we'll do is we'll go to motion and if on edge bounce. इससे क्या होगा कि अगर आपका sprite edge तक आ भी जाता है and if it touches the edge of the stage, so it's going to bounce back. See these steps again. Now, to run this, we'll click this green. See, it's flying. So you actually saw this. So this was very easy. Not actually very easy, it was very easy animation step. In next video, I'll be telling you how to use the pen block and the sensing block. That's all for today.